Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, I'm going to refresh my bedroom. I like to change my home very often. The thing that I like to do, guys, I like to protect everything. My chairs, my rugs, everything. I love lighter color rugs, so it's very important for me to protect them, to protect my investment, because those are very expensive, and I have to save my money as much as possible. I will take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, I do my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. Guys, it's an all-in-one TV station. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today, right now. And to all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching. What you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come up. I really love to change my home, and they are pretty much the same stuff that I already have. I just change them places and get less boring. Can I come into the house 24/7, you see the same stuff, same way? I don't know. I love to change my stuff. Let me know what you think. If you are somebody that, like me, always like to change places. I shop a lot, but most of the stuff that I use, most of them I already have them. Be my fire, take my hand. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, comment nous y? Bienvenue sur channel moi. Si nous la première fois, moi souhaite nous bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo. Dans vidéo ça moi juste à nettoyer pour printemps parce que moi j'aime changer carrément couleur et moi j'aime changer toute bagage chaque saison qui arrive. So moi dis merci un peu parce que au camper là, je veux dire pour regarder vidéo. Mais si vous pas la première fois, je dis merci en pile parce que toujours retournez venir supporter moi. Merci en pile. Continuez à regarder les vidéos. I got the vases from the street store. I like them so much, and I was trying to clean them. Look at what happened. I'm going to spray paint them. I paid $5 for the two. The two beautiful flowers from Walmart and the green pigs from Hobby Lobby. I like to make my own floor arrangement because you see those two vases cost me $17, including the vase, the flower, and everything. And the best part about it, I can change it whenever I feel like it. I don't have to keep the same vase. I can add more flowers. I can do whatever I want. So for me, it's more convenient. Let me know in the comment down below, what do you think? If you like to buy them already pre-made or you like to make them yourself. This is the finished look, guys. Let me know, what do you think? If you like it, don't forget to smash me with some thumbs up and share it. I love these two blankets so much. I got it from Burlington. It's so nice. And they have a variety of colors. The white one, it's so beautiful as well. I paid $19.99 for it. The pillows are from Shane. I like them. I'm going to add some bling on the top of the eyelashes. I have this whole decor for 2 years now. I get them from Burlington. They are very nice. This pillow from Shane and the middle round pillow from Burlington. I get this vase from the thrift store and the greenery from Hobby Lobby. This from Diddy's, I paid $10 for it. It's super nice for $10, to be honest. It's a blush and silver. And this beautiful piece, I get it from Burlington. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Sur ma chaîne, je fais un peu de tout. C'est comme si vous regardez la télé. J'aime beaucoup décorer ma maison et je fais un peu de tout. Comme vous pouvez voir dans cette vidéo comment j'ai décoré ma chambre pour le printemps. On n'a pas vraiment besoin de beaucoup d'argent pour faire cela. Je juste à déplacer, réaménager les choses qui étaient déjà à la maison pour créer un environnement vraiment agréable. Et à tous mes abonnés, merci beaucoup pour votre support. Je vous aime. Okay guys, I think that's the end of the video, and thank you so much to all my viewers, my subscribers, to everyone. And guys, I want to let you know whenever I'm counting my blessing, you guys are a big part of it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.